3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Columbia City to 6 miles north of Andrews to La Fountain, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Huntington, Wabash, Columbia City, North Manchester, Tri Lakes, Churubusco, Southwood Lake, Andrews, Marco, La Fountain, Aboy, Roanoke, Lancaster, Zanesville, Lago, Larwell, Mount Etna, Lod, Loran, and Collimer. This includes the following highways: Interstate 469 between mile markers 7 and 8. Interstate 69 in Indiana between mile markers 276 and 291, in between mile markers 294 and 299, and near mile marker 303. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Allen, Huntington, Wabash, and Wheeling.